Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by Tea subscription unboxing for February. Comes with a card that tells you all about your teas on the back. I always get 4 different ones. I get a mix of tea that's already bagged and tea that is loose leaf. When you get loose leaf, you do get these little bags that you can fill yourself. I really like those a lot. So let's take a look. First up we have Organic David's Chai from David's Tea. I do love chai tea, so happy to have that. There's 4 packages. Also have 4 more packages. Mixed berries and hibiscus. Fruit and herb tea. Bet that's really good as well too. Then we have our loose leaf. This one sounds fun. Cookie tea. Sugar cookie sweetheart. It tells you everything that's in there. Cat's foot. Never heard of that. Have to Google that, see what that is. That one's caffeine free, so that's awesome. And then we have Steep Society. Like the packaging. This is a Earl Grey with citrus. Huh. Very cool. That one's high caffeine. So on the card it will tell you the caffeine levels as well as all the steeping times for the tea. So an important little card there, but every box is curated for you and what you tell them you like. So your box could be totally different than mine. If you guys are interested in joining and signing up for a subscription, I will have all that information below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.